Okay, it's on. Ukikai here. My today's task is to assemble the safety locks to my motorhome. I have here these HEO Solutions safety logs. It's a pair, and there are two locks that will be attached to the door. Some way, not sure which side is this. Let's see the other one. Maybe this is this side. Anyways, it goes like this. You take this piece out and cut the little piece off from there, and there you have the safety lock that comes out from there. So when you close the door, you will have a extra security. So if somebody breaks the window from the vehicle, it will not be able to open. So because it's locked, here is a extra lock that prevents that. So that's my task today. I will put these locks in, and then I have this other lock, which this is a security lock too, and this is Fiamma lock, like this, and this will go to the door on the side door. Maybe I can show you. Let's see. If I'm able to show you this, it will come over here. Where is it? Like this. Yes. Okay. And yeah. So it'll come over here. So this you can switch this lock like that. So when the door is closed, you have two locks. This is very difficult to break into because then you have to tear down the whole part of the wall or door. Yeah. So I have these three locks that I will be installing today, hopefully, to my camper, make it more safe. Of course, we have actually we have two different types of alarms in our vehicle, but maybe this prevents people breaking stuff when they see it's well protected. So that's my task today. Okay. So first thing is to cut out these templates. There are templates for the cutout here. So first we need to cut out the templates and then place it here and cut out the piece needed. So that is the first task to do. So that's what I'm doing now. And it says rechts and links, which means right and left. It's in German language because this came from Germany. So the instructions are German. So first I will do this right side. Like that. Come on. And there is the lines. There are these arrows here on the template that shows you how to place this template to the door. And as soon as I get this cut, I will try to show you that. So goes like this. Maybe I zoom in a little bit. There. So you can see there are these arrows that points to the place where this little piece that comes off, so that you will be able to take this door panel off. That piece is for that. There is a screw underneath this. And then when you take that off, you need to cut this piece off from the panel to fit the lock. So that's the next task. Yeah. Okay. So what you do is you attach this template to the door with this tape. You place the arrows and then you try to tape this. Okay. To the door, showing you the line where you cut, like that. Maybe you want to put it as well as you can. Like that. I need to get some. Where did it go? Drop the tape, of course, and it went somewhere. Where did it go? Need to get another tape. Tape. Is that this? Kind of important to get there quite well. Actually, this see-through tape is pretty good, so you can tape it over the whole thing. And maybe just found out that maybe it's good to protect this paint here also a little bit. If the cutting tool, I'm going to use multi-tool, so if it slips, so it won't immediately scratch the paint there. Not sure if that is very well. placed now? Anyway, there is the line. It's supposed to cut. Little more tape here too, like that. Okay, now it's there. And next thing is, I guess, I need to remove this piece. Okay, I have a screwdriver that I will use to get this piece off, if it comes off. I need to get maybe some another screwdriver to. It's kind of tight. So luckily I'm here in my workshop, so I have all the tools. Would have been better idea to take it off before to put the I don't understand how tight this can be. Doesn't come off at all. It should just snap out. But yeah, that's very obvious that I don't know how can it come off, because there's this piece. Maybe I do the cutting first and then try to take that piece off. Let's put some more tape there. Because it doesn't come off very easily. It seems to be stuck underneath the I put enough tape that I don't damage anything. So nice. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, this is Ukkikai's tech corner. So I have this Ryobi multi-tool that I'm going to use here. I know that's gonna cause little problems, but we'll see. I first go underneath this line little bit, so it's better to make it tight than leave a ugly space there between the lock and the plastic cover. So I can always cut it more, but it's difficult to add. See, it's almost done. A little bit more, like that. And here is the piece I cut off. And now we can see if we can take this piece off, but it doesn't come off so easily. I don't know what's holding it. What is holding it so strongly? There is this one supposed to come up, but it can't come up because there is this plastic cover. Maybe I just... Okay. It's off and it broke. Of course, there are these lips and the other one broke off because it couldn't come up because of this. Okay. So now we have the screw there visible, and take this off. Didn't do much damage at all. And let's see. Okay, yeah, this lock goes, see, there is this thing coming out like that. And there will be a metal piece on the frame that meets that, so it's very tough. But I need to clean this a little bit. It was good. It was actually very good that I cut this little bit too small, because now it seems to fit well. So if I would have cut right on the line, it would have be too much. So now it's gonna be neat, and I will get a knife and I will trim this a little bit. Okay, I have the knife, and I can see that there is a little issue here and also at the back end of it, so I need to trim that a little bit more. Maybe I use this. maybe oops. Yeah, oops. I hate that word. And let's test a little bit this. There's a little bit, but I think I use sandpaper on that. Let's see if I have. I should have sandpaper. I take that one. Just a little piece of sandpaper and like that. Yeah. Now it's going to be very, very clean cut. Also there. And then what I do is I put this piece of sandpaper here. Let's see. Between here to protect the paint when I use this multi-tool a little bit more because there is too much. Like that. Well, it scratched that anyway, so I need to. It wasn't a good idea because it was upside down. The sandpaper scratched it. So, well, at least you learn. At least you learn all the time you do these things. It's not the end of the world because I can easily fix that. Yeah, now it fits very well. And now I have to take that screw out and I'm supposed to you have to take the cover out. So just a little pause here. I get the right tool for that. I should have the right tool for that. That's too big. What is this? 27. So I think it should be 30. Do I have 30? That's 40. Yeah, of course, you're always missing the one you need. Like in this case too. So let's see if I can get it out with this 27. Should be 30, but I only have 27 here, so yeah. Easy peasy. Came off. Like that. And then I need to open these two screws. Like that. I didn't look at the instructions, but I assume that I have to take this thing. Where do I put the screw that I will lose it? Yeah, it's like this. So maybe this will loosen the cover so I can put this to the door. Oops. Okay, there is a spring. Yeah, there is a spring there. And this piece goes over there, and then we can put that back together, but there's another but. Can I use the same screw here? No. So I'm supposed to have a screw for this. Let's see. Yeah. Must be this one. So, yeah, this will go there. Now I need another tool, Allen key, for this screw. Okay. Where is the piece? There. So it goes like that. I think it goes automatically to the wrong, right position here without even trying. There's a little leeway though. Okay. And now I would need to put this. sure if okay, it's kind of like two. Doesn't go far enough. Yeah, it looked too simple to be easy task. So let's see what the problem is. Why doesn't it go all the way? Why it doesn't go back? Now it's in. Okay, how can I get the screws? No, it's in. I should be able to put these screws on. Fairly easy, like that. Like that. And the other one. Goes like that. It looks very neat. That, and then it should work, but it doesn't work. Maybe it's locked. Or then I have to reopen it and it doesn't work. Now it's locked. And now it's okay. Maybe I did something wrong. Yeah, it's in my hand now. What is this? Okay, let's open it and I knew this. It's there now very neatly, but yeah, as you can see, it fell into pieces and I have to see what's wrong. Oh shoot. Yeah. Which way was this? I don't even know which way this was in here. Yeah. God. How could I get this out? Because it doesn't go in at all. Oh shit. Oh, there's a spring. Losing the spring now. How could I get it out because it won't fit back in? Really? Seriously? And it came out so easily. I think I need to get the instructions out. Okay, it took like half an hour to figure out how to put those pieces back together, but now I think I have it in on the right way. Unfortunately, my camera was off and I couldn't turn it on because of the maybe doesn't look good now either. Doesn't move anywhere. This is supposed to be like easy. Oh, it works. See? See? It works. Now it works. Okay. This was supposed to be very simple and easy DIY job, but you know how they very often turn to be something else. But finally, this is now in. I have that screw in. This didn't go as I would have wanted it to go, but it's in and still it works. Now I need to put one screw here. There is a place for one screw. Let's see. Yeah, it's just a small one. Maybe I drill a little hole for that. Yeah, just a second. Yeah, I drill here a little hole. Like that. And there is this package where you have this pieces that goes to the frame to catch the lock, and then you have a few screws here. I think these are all same, so I will screw this in place like that. Like that. It's all in place now and it's working. How about that? Ukkikai's Tech Corner. Now I need to do the frame. That's next task. I will put this screw to that hole I drilled, and now it's all finished. Looks pretty good to me. Yep. And now I will do the frame here at Ukkikai's Duck Corner. Okay, I have here marked the place where the lock comes, and this piece comes here. So I need to cut this this rubber a little bit, and also the plastic here to be able to fit this in. So that's the next thing. So what I do is I cut the rubber seal with the knife from there. Like that. And from up here, from there, like that. And then I do like this. Get this piece totally out, because this, I think this fits a lot better here now. And the goes like this. So what I do is I mark the plastic that needs to be cut out like this. There. And then I will assemble those. I will use the Ryobi multi-tool here. Like that. Like that. And how can I get that out? Like that. And then I will clean this edge here with the knife. Like that. Clean it a little bit, even though it doesn't really show, because it's underneath the plate. This one. Now it goes like this. And I should have take a little bit extra so it won't stick here at the ends. Like that. Okay. And now I install the thing. And the last screw in. Like that. So now it's done. And now it should work like that. Yeah. So it's really good now.